The name of the cat's baby is Kitten. The name of the dog's baby is Puppy. The name of the horse's baby is Foal. The name of the cow's baby is Calf. The name of the sheep's baby is Lamb. The name of the pig's baby is Piglet. The name of the goat's baby is Kid. The name of the chicken's baby is Chick. The name of the duck's baby is Duckling. The name of the deer's baby is Fawn. The name of the bear's baby is Cub. The name of the lion's baby is Cub. The name of the tiger's baby is Cub. The name of the elephant's baby is Calf. The name of the kangaroo's baby is Joey. The name of the rabbit's baby is Kit or Kitten. The name of the frog's baby is Tadpole or Polliwog. The name of the fox's baby is Kit or Pup. The name of the swan's baby is Cygnet. The name of the owl's baby is Owlet. The name of the seal's baby is Pup. The name of the eagle's baby is Eaglet. The name of the penguin's baby is Chick. The name of the giraffe's baby is Calf. Thanks for watching. For more great content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.